So Anthropic just dropped 3 responses to OpenClaw within the last 30 days or so. But their latest one, which they just released now, I think finally does it as a good alternative to OpenClaw. So it's called Channels. And the way it works is you can now text Claude from Telegram, just like you would with OpenClaw, formerly known as ClaudeBot. And this works a bit different though, because it runs off of the Claude code on your PC. Not a sandbox, your actual PC. So it has your access to your files, your skills, everything. For example, check this out. I'm here in Telegram and I asked it to generate an image. Now my Claude is connected to the Gemini Nano Banana API. And so it used that API to generate this image for me. And I could open it here in Telegram on my iPhone. Here's another example. I asked it to create a landing page earlier. It created it. It took a screenshot for me so I could check it out. But what it was also able to do is it was able to give me a preview link where I could actually try it out in Safari. So this is great. You could just open it on your smartphone right away. And you could use this functionality not only for landing pages, but for anything really. For example, if you want, let's say, a dashboard with all your credit card statement dates, for example, this could build it, and then you could just open it off your Telegram. It's very easy to set up. It just takes about 3 minutes to set up. You just have to know what terminal is. So first, you have to make sure you have the latest version of Claude Code installed. It typically auto updates, so if you have Claude Code in terminal, it should be up to date. And once you do, you just type in this command here. I'll put this in the description so you can try it out. So you type that command, punch it in. And then what you do in Telegram, you just use the BotFather bot, which is Telegram's built-in official bot creator. You just a couple steps, create the bot, give it a name, give it a profile picture. It'll give you a key, and you just paste the key here, back into your terminal, and then it's connected. And once it's connected, you no longer need to be looking at the terminal. So you just put that aside. But if you do want to go back and see what's happening in the background, but you can just work with it off your iPhone. And that's the fantastic thing about this new Claude Channels feature.